Hey there, my friends. We've got sketch number 86 to share today for our DSP Paper Share projects. We're going to craft with the inked Botanicals DSP today, and I'm pairing it with Pool Party. So first we have this first piece of scrap DSP from a previous project. We're just going to cut it down to 2.5 by 3.5. Then these two layers, I forgot to take the photo, but one is 2 by 5 and the other one is 1 by 5. Next I'm going to stamp on that rectangular piece with Versamark with this image from Nature's Print and emboss it with white heat emboss. Next, I stamped the sentiment on a die cut from Scallop Contours die to do our sentiment tag. So these are the parts and pieces for the project, and all the details are on the mini tutorials. You can still subscribe to those. It's not too late. So we're going to start by folding our card in half and giving a crease with the bubble folder. Then I decided to give it a dry embossed texture with the fern embossing folder. Next, we're going to add our 2 strips of DSP. I put the skinny one on the right hand side, and then I stepped in the wider one next to it down the center. Then we're going to add our embossed panel over the 2 of those, and then we simply pop our sentiment up on dimensionals and add it to the bottom. So quick, easy, fun embossing with dry embossing too, and nice way to coordinate all those panels and layers. So if you liked our project today, remember you can leave me a comment. I like hearing those. You can subscribe to the channel here to see more, and you can always find me in my website, pumpkinhillstampers.com, or email me with a link below. All right, do some fun stamping. See you next time.